I didn't expect that you were home so early. So how did everything come on?
Not so good. You better wish hard for that loan. I'm not at all sure to get it.
But it is necessary that we get it. Everything's ready for the affair, and I can't back out now. I'd rather die than lose face with all people.
Yes, I understand. You must not get impatient. After all, I'm doing all my best. I'll have something definite this after.
But something definite is not enough. We must have the money. Do you realize that we have 48 hours left before the party? I'm getting nervous right now. You know.
Nobody asked you to do all this. It was your own idea. You only asked me to raise the 5,000 you needed. And right now, that is what I'm trying to do.
You talk as if this were going to be my debut. It is your daughter's. I am determined to give her only the best. Also that she meets only the right people. If you refuse to do these things to her, then I will. Darling, please forgive me. I'm tired and that's all. I know you love Boo Boo as much as I do. Please say you do forgive me for losing my temper.
Of course, dear. I know. I know you're tired. Don't worry. I forgive you. I bear no grudge at all.
Thank you, dear. And speaking of more pleasant things, wait till you see what I will wear tomorrow night. It's so untouchable.
I have just finished reading one of the most fascinating books I have ever come across in my life. What a wonderful book, Mother.
I can't understand all this excitement about the.
You must read it, Father. I'm telling you, it's a must.
What is it called, dear?
It is called The Voices of Silence by Andrew Malraux. And what imagination!
Sounds interesting. Tell me more.
What a style he has! I wish I could dress like him.
Perhaps you will.
I hope so, Father. Let's buy the book, please. It costs only over a little 100 peso.
Are you crazy? A book costing over 100 pesos? Don't be silly, Boo Boo. Think what we can buy. Over 100 pesos.
But Mother, the reproduction alone are worth more than that. Can you realize that, Mother?
Of course, dear, I do. But that's not even important to you. And anyway, that's not even a bestseller, right?
If you really work hard enough, who knows? Maybe you can make it someday.
Yes, Father. Someday. Maybe. Why don't we forget about this debut business? I don't want it.
Why don't you talk this over with her, dear? She...
Do you both realize what you are saying? This debut has been the talk of the town for a whole week now. Manila's 400 will be there. And here you are telling me to forget all about it? You are out of your minds. And besides, what will people say?
I have been telling you this since you started planning.
How dare you answer me that way? It is your debut, not mine.
I don't care to meet Manila's 400. I don't care. I am happy as I am.
Darling, you are so young. At your age, one really does not know what wants to be. You are so idealistic, but I don't blame you a bit. It's all part of your growing up. What's wrong with that? I just want you to be happy. I just want you to have fun.
That's impossible. I feel lonely and out of place in a crowd.
Don't be silly, darling. Where do you think this will get you in the end?
That does not worry me a bit, mother.
That's just it. It's precisely my duty as a mother to worry about you and your future. Be realistic, dear.
I don't know.
You are so confused. I'm not even sure that you know exactly what you want. That is what I mean when I tell you face the reality.
The only reality that I know is pursuing my ideal. And your money? You're being unfair.
I will not put it in that way. I can save without money.
You mean oodles and oodles of it, mother? How little do we know that it's false show and values and innumerable temptations?
Don't be a dreamer. Stop talking with angels.
You don't understand it all. It's no use.
Cut to. Boo Boo, let's talk this out. You and your daughter seems to be poles apart.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright. She is young and just confused.
I don't think so. I think she knows what she...
You talk as if you never made a mistake.
Big mistake I made too.
Did you say something?
Who? Me? No, I didn't say a word.
I'm so afraid of our daughter. What should we do? She has everything a young girl loves.
What's wrong with her wanting to pursue her dream?
What's wrong? She's breaking her own future in her own too.
Stop thinking for her for a while. Give her a bit of freedom.
No, there's a mother who knows everything. Good for her daughter.
Huh? The mistakes committed by young girls nowadays is because of a mother who thinks she knows all.
I've heard that those so-called artists will always be poor at their lives. That they are always on the verge of starvation. That they do nothing but sacrifice and suffer for they call their art. Whatever that stands for.
Why? Have you made study on their works?
Of course not. I never read trash.
Don't worry. Just as you said, she is young and confused.
I hope so, but I'm afraid. Really, I am.
She looked very beautiful.
Yes, and that was the last time I ever saw her look like that.
It is time to get that gift.
Can you afford 100 pesos gift?
Of course. That's a lot cheaper than a debut. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Have you seen our daughter?
Yes,
It's her picture.
I've seen that look. It's the maybe.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your information.
Wait! I will help you to find her.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Look, someone's hiding behind the tree. Ano?